array.sort method in JavaScript. So by default, the sort method sorts values of a given array as strings in alphabetical order. So let's look at a given example. So here we have uh, an array of strings which contains various names. So it contains Lab, James, Lemon, Ben, and Jerry. So we use the sort method to sort this array. So first, before we use the apply the sort method on this array, let's first console.log the current state of this given array. So then we also console.log the state of that array after we sort it. So clg, okay, names, okay, so names the sort, okay. So the sort method change the state of an array. It doesn't returns a new array like some of the high order functions. So okay, clg um names again. Okay, so let's run this code. Node sort.js. Let's look here. So as we can see from here, Ben was sorted first because in alphabetical order B comes before F, followed by J, followed by another J, followed by L. Okay, so let's look at another example. Let's add some alphabet to the element and look at something. So here, let's add A and B for here, and A and C. Okay, this labs was last, so A and C, B, C. Okay, now we've changed some names. So AB labs, ABC James. Okay, so let's look at our output. Okay, so let's clear the screen. Node sort.js. So as you can see, so it first take the first alphabet of the string of that element. So ABC comes before AB, followed by AC, then A comes, then followed by the Flamon, and followed by the Jerry. So this is how the sort method works by default. Okay, so let's look at numerical sorting. Okay, so let's create a numbers array. So let numbers, okay, let me comment this up here. Okay, so now let's create a new array. So let numbers equals to 20, 10, 100, 10,000, 1,000, 9,000, million or billion, anything. Yeah, so okay, let's do the same thing for the numbers array. So clg numbers, printing the currency. Okay, here let's a comma. Okay, so numbers the sort. Okay, so clg again numbers. Okay, now let's clear the screen. So node sort.js. So as we can see from our results, we had an ambiguous output. So this output is trying to tell us that 100 is smaller than 20 because one and counting 1 comes before 2 and 1 also comes before 900. So that's how we had this output. So the sort method will produce incorrect output when sorting numbers. So we can, to fix this, we have to provide a compare function. You can say the purpose of the compare function is to define an alternative sort order. Okay, so let's look at how to let's add a compare function and look at our output. Okay, 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 so okay, so A comma B. So the compare functions is supposed to return three outputs, so it can return a positive zero. Zero is not positive, so sorry, zero. Zero is not a positive or zero. Oh shit, it's nothing. It's gonna return zero, negative, or positive number. Um so the compare function will, when the return of the compare function is negative, meaning the a comes before b, but when it is positive, meaning b comes before a. So yeah, so you can use an if statement to check for that. So if a greater than b, return a. So this is a simpler version of the compare function. So this you are trying to tell the function to bring um sort a before b. So it's like you are sorting from the small to the highest. You are going in ascending order. You are going up. You are climbing a staircase. Okay, so let's see our results. So I think this will fix the problem with this, with our sort results. So let's clear the screen first. Oh, sorry. Node sort.js. Okay. I didn't save it. Sorry, I didn't save it. Okay. So node. Okay, I should just. So as you can see here, now we have an a correct sort with no errors. So we are sorting from ascending order from the lowest to the highest. So we are moving from 10, 20, 100, 1000, 9000, and 100,000. Okay, so so we can, this a simpler way of returning a negative. So you can even write an if statement and say, so okay, so what if when we want to return to sort from descending from the highest to lowest, descend from a staircase, coming down from a staircase. Okay, so we just have to say, okay, b minus a. So b minus a, so saying b comes before a. Okay, let's look at this example. So clear the screen. So node sort.js. Okay, so here we are sorting from the highest to the order. So well, also when we return zero, it means nothing should happen to the array elements. Okay, that's so this recap. The compared function returns three, should return three integers, which is a negative value, a positive value, and zero. So when the compare functions return a negative value, meaning it takes in two arguments, meaning the first argument comes before the second argument. When it returns a positive value, meaning the second argument comes before the first argument. So when it returns zero, meaning nothing should happen to the sort. You get it? Okay, thank you. If you enjoyed this content, hit like for this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.